I'm Christine Hatch, and I work at the Ute Mountain Head Start. And we're going to do 1, 2, buckle my shoe. And it goes like this. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big red hen. And now we're going to sing it. Take a deep breath. Okay, and it's, I don't know what it's the tune to, but it goes 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big red hen.
Woo!
I would have them sit down and do that one to calm.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah.
That's great. So you had them standing up to get their wiggles out and then using the same song to then get them to calm down. Wonderful. Thank you. Woo!